Hey guys, welcome back, and today we will see this course code BCHCT131. Draw the resonance structures of carbon monoxide, also give the electronic configuration of the combining atoms. So if you want complete solutions of BCHCT131 course code solutions, or if you want any other course code solutions, because we are providing complete solutions of all types of assignments, just send us message on this WhatsApp number and we will contact you as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching this video and keep supporting and subscribe the channel.